morning, May 3rd. Beautiful sunny day. Let's hope this affects the current pandemic. Mulch looks good. Going to do a little bit of chainsaw work today. Brand new steel chainsaw. I think it's called a Wood Boss. Really cool saw. And we'll see how it works. We haven't used it yet. MS-251. It's supposed to be really good for what I need here. Just pick up some stuff and get things going. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Finishing the tree of death. So it's going great. I gotta tell you, this Wood Boss just chews through everything. Cut this tree at the base. Got hung up here. So we're gonna pull it out. Should be no problem. These Dickies I'm wearing are great, but this rose is sharp, so. Mission accomplished. This thing really kicks ass, this Wood Boss. What else can you ask for? Beautiful sunny day out in the woods. Way to do it. It's a great doctor's day off. A little deeper, Joey, a little deeper. We're doing a wedge. Get that out. You see the wedge? It's a big tree. This is really just practice. Good job. You're damn good. Okay, so this one's a little challenging. Jay's been knocking them down. He knocked that one down. He knocked that one down. But this one's a little different. Let me show you. It broke here, and it landed on this cherry tree. Now, if my calculations are correct, and you cut the base of the cherry tree, this whole thing falls to the left. We're gonna find out. That son of a bitch was tough. Ready? Now watch where you're standing. Apparently that need to be cut. This son of a bitch right here. This is the dead forest over here.
The thing didn't even fall from where we cut it.
It broke, didn't it?
Yeah, down here.
Okay, so what we're doing now, since we got all this wood cut down, is that we're taking these pieces, we're throwing them on our shoulders. There's Joseph. And right there, you see that wood pile? We're gonna pile them up, and then if we need them, we'll cut them further down. Otherwise, it's basically making a little bit of a fence. I'll take you with me as I walk with this, I'd say 100-pound log. Look at this bastard. And I'll put it in this pile. The problem with these wood piles is unless you brace the sides, they fall. So we're going to figure out where to put this guy. We're going to put him right there. He fell. There you go. Jay's got one. Nothing funner to do. We're not golfing, but we're having fun. See the front of this pile. Looks pretty cool. Push it back, Jay. We gotta make them. There you go. We got it. Okay, end of another day. We got a lot done. A lot of trees came down. Increased the size of that wood pile significantly, but there's so much wood back there. So that's another doctor's day off. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.